What is the life expectancy of a metal roof compared to other roofing products?
Due to the latest technological advances in the steel manufacturing process, companies have been able to tremendously improve their paint processing. As a result, a roof can now last anywhere between 50 and 75 years if installed according to the manufacturer's specifications. Unfortunately, we can't say the same for asphalt roofs. They once were able to last between 25 and 30 years and contained approximately 70% oil content and asbestos. Today, asbestos can no longer be used in asphalt shingles, and the oil content only ranges between 18 and 25%. So your life expectancy will now only last between 8 and 12 years. They also are very susceptible to the harsh environments such as high and heavy winds, which also contributes to them not lasting as long as they once did. Refer to the chart below for the different life expectancies of the various materials for roofing.